In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust sales taxes in QuickBooks Online. Adjusting sales tax can be a little intimidating, but once you know where everything is in QuickBooks Online, it becomes a simple routine. Maybe your tax agency sent you a notice, you found a rounding difference, or you just need to correct a small error from a previous period. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through exactly how to make a proper sales tax adjustment so your books and your tax filings stay accurate and clean. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Taxes and then choose Sales Tax. This is your main dashboard for all things sales tax. You'll see your agencies, your current balance, and your filing periods. Next, you need to locate the specific tax period that requires an adjustment. Look for the filing period that matches the dates you're correcting. Once you find it, select either Prepare Return or View Return, depending on what you see on your screen. Prepare Return is usually for an open period you're about to file, while View Return is often for a period that's already been worked on or filed. Inside that return view, you'll see line items that represent the amounts owed to each tax agency or the different components of the tax. Find the exact line item that needs to be corrected. When you've located it, look for a link or option labeled Adjust and click that. This tells QuickBooks that you're about to enter a formal adjustment rather than just changing numbers directly. Now you'll see a form where you can enter details about the adjustment. Start by entering the adjustment date. This should usually be the date you discovered the issue or the date of the notice from your tax agency. After that, select the adjustment account you created for sales tax adjustments. This is typically an expense or liability account set up by your bookkeeper or accountant to track these changes separately so they don't get mixed in with your regular sales or expenses. Next, type in the adjustment amount. If you need to reduce the amount on that line, enter it as a negative number. If you need to increase the amount, enter it as a positive number. Double-check this carefully, because the sign of the number determines whether you're raising or lowering what you owe. When everything looks correct, select Save. QuickBooks will now include that adjustment as part of the sales tax return for that period, ensuring your filing reflects the corrected amount.